Okay, this video is about how to draw a bacterium. Bacterium is singular of the word bacteria. So usually there's a lot of bacteria, but we're going to draw just one little itty bitty bacterium. And maybe the first thing you want to know about bacteria is that they can have up to 3 layers surrounding their outsides. I want to draw sort of 3 concentric ovals here. A lot of times bacteria are sort of long and tubular. They have, sort of a pill shape. They're maybe approximately the dimensions of the tube inside of a roll of toilet paper. So we have 3 layers, and this stuff on the inside, the white, is what we call the cytoplasm, right? That's mostly water. Bacteria, like you, are 3/4 water. They want to hold that water inside. It's not just water. There's other stuff in there. We call it the cytoplasm. And there's a thing, that inner layer is called the cell membrane. The cell membrane essentially defines the cell. That's what holds the cytoplasm inside. That middle layer, which is drawn as a lot thicker, is rigid for support. It's known as the cell wall, and the layer on the outside is known as the capsule. Just like a pill is in a capsule, it's encapsulated, right? The capsule is on the outside. We sometimes refer to it as the slime capsule because it secretes oil, making these bacteria sticky and slimy so that they can all stick together. There are also maybe hair-like projections extending off of the bacteria. These can also help it stick together in a big clump. These are called pili, which is the plural. Pilus is the singular. So one individual little hair-like projection is called a pilus. Collectively, the pili help it stick together. They may help it swim, they may not. The bacteria also may have a flagellum, which is like a tail that helps it swim. That's a flagellum. There could also be 2 or 3 flagella, right? So this is just a general bacteria. There could be 1 or 2 or 3 layers. There may or may not be pili. There could be 1 or 2 or 3 flagella. This is, just sort of a generic bacteria. What all bacteria are going to have floating around inside of the cytoplasm, floating around in the water of the cell, we have this important thing called a ribosome, and ribosomes are going to make chemicals that help keep the bacteria alive. And then I'm going to draw a ring here known as the plasmid. The plasmid is a ring of DNA that's found in bacteria. So there we have it, a drawing of a general bacterium in about 3.5 minutes.